Unveiling the Mask. Understanding Under the Guise of. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that often pops up in both spoken and written English. Under the guise of. This expression is not just a collection of words but a gateway to understanding subtle nuances in English communication. So, let's unpack its meaning, usage, and delve into examples to help you master it for your conversations and writings. Stay tuned. Under the guise of is a phrase that combines mystery and deception in a linguistic twist. At its core, it means acting under the appearance of something, often to conceal the true nature or intention. The word guise refers to an external form, appearance, or manner of presentation, typically concealing the true nature of something. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from everyday conversations to formal writings. Here's how. 1. Describing deception. When someone is pretending to be something they are not, or when an action is intended to deceive. 2. Highlighting contrasts. To contrast between what is being presented and what is actually happening. 3. Literary and formal use. In storytelling, literature, or formal reports to add depth to descriptions of characters, situations, or intentions. Examples are the best way to understand its usage. He donated money to the charity under the guise of generosity, but his real motive was to gain public approval. The company conducted layoffs under the guise of restructuring efforts. Let's look at some sentences to see how versatile and impactful this phrase can be. Under the guise of a concerned citizen, the spy gathered information about the government's plans. The new policy was introduced under the guise of environmental protection, but many believe it benefits only certain industries. These examples show how under the guise of introduces a layer of meaning that suggests duplicity or a hidden agenda. Understanding and using the phrase, under the guise of, enriches your English communication by allowing you to express complex ideas involving pretense or hidden motives. We hope this video has shed light on this fascinating expression and that you feel more confident using it in your language adventures. Remember, learning English is a journey filled with exciting discoveries. Keep exploring, and see you in our next video. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language insights.